Hello everyone, I'm Amelia. Today I'm introducing an upgraded feature we have made to our parcel cleaner fingerprint lock function. This newly upgraded parcel cleaner with fingerprint unlocking is suitable for most home and commercial cleaning scenarios. It's a practical and excellent piece of equipment for cleaning service, factory use, and machine retail, maximizing its versatilities. The newly added fingerprint unlocking function allows only registered personnel to power on and operate the machine. Up to 10 fingerprints can be added, making operation convenient and efficient. It's particularly suitable for factory use, machine retail, and home use. It eliminates malfunctions and safety issues caused by unauthorized personnel accidentally turning on the machine, offering simple operation and maximum security. Meanwhile, the machine's powerful cleaning effect remains unchanged, making it suitable for multiple scenarios. While ensuring professional cleaning results, it's achieved delicate management, safe and controllable operation, comprehensive upgrading, practical and security. At HANTENCNC, we have our own design department and R&D lab. We will develop further tailored to the specific needs of our customers to enhance their experience. If you are also interested in the machine, please click the contact button below.
Laser-driven, reshape your